C6 time here at Unique Specialty and Classics. It's a nice one too. 2008 Chevrolet Corvette Z06 Coupe. 2-owner car. Clean Carfax. No accidents indicated. Actual mile car at just 15,239 now. Spent the majority of its life in Arizona up until 2023. Let's take a look at this front fascia. Not full of nicks, chips, dings, scratches. Check out the still pictures. They can be seen at uniqueclassiccars.com. If you're watching this video on YouTube, click on the link down below the video in the description. That's going to take you right to our website. Of course, you can call us, 507-386-1726. Of course, the LS7 7-liter V8 underneath the hood that's paired up with a 6-speed manual transmission, polished wheels, the big rotors up front drilled, 505 horsepower, 470 pound-feet of torque. Let's take a look down this passenger side. Again, you can see it's free of any major nicks, dings, or scratches. I did see a scuff on the roof that I will show you, though, about right here. You can see that little scuff on there. Victory red with ebony or black interior. Of course, bucket seats. Heated leather bucket seats. Once again, all those still pictures, you'll be able to see the underside, interior, engine bay, uniqueclassiccars.com. Exhaust is complete from the rear to the front. Brakes are 90% front and rear. If you like Corvettes, go ahead and subscribe to our YouTube channel. You never know what you'll see come through here at Unique Classic Cars. Videos are uploaded daily, and when these videos are uploaded, the vehicles in them are available to purchase. That can be done online or right off our showroom floor. And as you can also see, the driver's side, just as nice a shape as the rest of the car. Paint actually looks wet yet. Well taken care of, adult owned and maintained. Let's take a little closer look at this interior. We are going to start it up, let you hear it run, take a peek underneath the hood. As usual, Jason will take it for a drive at the very end of the video. Of course, your monitored amenities with the power windows, mirrors, locks, memory seating, Bose stereo system, heads-up display, driver's information center. Again, heated bucket seats, power, tilt column, steering wheel controls. I think we should fire it up. And check the exact miles here too. Miles to pop up. There it is, 15,239. The focus there. There you go, 15,239. Navigation system. Of course, electronic dual climate control. Heads-up display working. Sorry, it's out of focus. I can get it to show up a little bit better. Just do this. Slide it up there, you can see it. Heads-up display working. These cars sound incredible. Top speed, I believe, what, 198 miles an hour or so. Sound good and look good. Let me pause this. Well, I can do this one-handed, I think. Get this hood open. There it is. Hood liner nice and clean. Doesn't look like this car's been driven in inclement weather. There it is, the big boy. 7-liter LS7 power. Great looking engine bay. Looking for a clean C6 Z06. Here you go. 2-owner car, low miles, clean Carfax. Number to call 507-386-1726. UniqueClassicCars.com. Check out all those still pics. And remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email.
Hey, it's George from Motorhood Podcast at Unique Classic Cars.
Hey, and this is Jeremy, and we're here to tell you where you can find our podcast. So first off, on all the Audible platforms, including Spotify, iHeart, etc., and also right here on the YouTube channel where you can find all of our episodes,
as well as the rest of our shenanigans.
A few other fun things that we'll do.
And when in doubt,
gas it.
Welcome to Motorhood.
Today we're driving a 2008 Chevrolet Corvette with a lovely performance package that makes it even more fun. This is a 6-speed manual as well. Beautiful black interior, red exterior. A little bit of traffic to wait for. Radio works very well, sounds good. Touchscreen on that radio. A little too much traffic, but this car gets up and goes very quickly and drives very nicely. We have a heads-up display giving me the tachometer, the speedometer, the oil pressure, and G's, which would be the G-force in the corners. Very cool. This car has less than 16,000 miles on it. A Z06 with low miles from 2008. Did you miss your chance to buy one? Because this one is like brand new, at least from what I can tell. Our temperature gauge is reading about 195 where it should. The oil pressure is over 60. Our battery's charging over 14 volts, and the fuel tank is more than 3/4 full. All looking very good. We got the AC blowing cold. Perfectly form-fitting bucket seats. A clutch that feels effortless. Shifting is very nice. Really smooth braking. Alright, let's test out the acceleration one more time just for fun. It's so flat in the corners, very nice cornering. So, yeah, the tires, I could feel them just on the verge of letting go there, and third as I accelerated, so plenty of power, plenty of fun. Check out all the pictures of this Corvette at UniqueClassicCars.com.